Little Mix star Leigh Anne Pinnock has shared a rare photograph of her twins 7 months after giving birth. The singer took to Instagram with a series of snaps from her appearance at the Top Boy 2 premiere in London last week. 3. Leigh Anne could be seen cuddling her twins in the sweet snap credit, Instagram. 3. The star had attended the premiere of Top Boy 2 last week. Credit, Getty. Leigh Anne, 30, who welcomed her baby twins with footballer beau Gray in August, showed fans her order of events on Friday. She could be seen having her hair and makeup done for the star-studded event, before heading to the red carpet. The Little Mix band member then showed off her delicious dinner laid out for her when she got home after the screening. The final snapshot saw her cuddling with her twins, whose names and genders are yet to be confirmed, in her living room. Leigh Anne smiled wide as she went makeup-free at home, wearing jogging bottoms as she cuddled the youngsters in their pajamas. The babies turned their heads away from the camera as she was snapped by her beau 30, while relaxing on the sofa. Leigh Anne last shared a snap of her rarely seen twins as the family took a holiday in Jamaica last month as they enjoyed the winter sun. The family jetted off for a luxury getaway in Jamaica, where one of Leigh Anne's parents is from. She also counts the Caribbean island nation as her second home. The star said as much in the caption for one of 2 sets of stunning snaps shared on Instagram this week, writing, "Finally made it home." In the pics, Leigh Anne flaunted her curves in a couple of teeny bikinis, one in canary yellow, from her own in a seashell swimwear label, and the other in classic black. The 30-year-old sizzled on her lodge's private waterside deck before wading into crystal-clear seas to cool off. The snaps came soon after Leigh Anne was spotted breastfeeding her little ones in an adorable parenting post, offering fans a glimpse into her life as a new mum. Leigh Anne announced she had given birth with one pic of the trot's feet after they were born on August 16. She shared her happy news with fiancé Gray on Instagram, writing, "We asked for a miracle, we were given 2. Since then she has shared just a handful of images of the little ones. Leigh Anne announced she was expecting back in May, but never revealed she was having twins and waited until her birth announcement on social media. In the post, the singer wore a flowing green dress to show off her baby bump and was joined by a topless Andre in the intimate photo shoot. Leigh Anne told fans on the social media site, "We've dreamed about this moment for so long and we can't believe the dream is finally coming true. We can't wait to meet you." Her bandmate Perry Edwards gave birth to a son in the same month. 3. Leigh Anne welcomed her twin babies last August. Credit, Leigh Anne Pinnock / Instagram.